You can see that wall behind me, right? I've been staring at this particular wall in my room for quite some time now. The wallpaper can literally make or break the aesthetic of the room. Hi, I'm Ishita Sudha Yashvi. Welcome to Reels to Rooms with Urban Company. I'm someone who takes care of the littlest thing in the house. So whenever I'm home, it's here that I can finally put my hair down, sit, read my favorite book, and enjoy a nice cup of coffee. I like to keep changing my wall decor. मुझे लगता है that एक wall change करने से पूरे घर की look change हो जाती है. So I just started scrolling through Instagram, Pinterest to get home makeover ideas. So one of my friends just in passing suggested that why don't I amp it up with some new fresh wallpaper or something. But I've seen my friends getting new wallpapers done at their place and it definitely has livened up their room and taken it up a notch. तभी ज़रा सा ऐसा feel हुआ that maybe this might just be what I'm looking for, to switch up and change things around. But I still have my doubts and thought, चलो try कर लेते हैं. I'm a little doubtful, to be honest. I'm like I said, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. तो मुझे लग रहा है पता नहीं have I taken the right decision, have I chosen the right design. I really wasn't too sure as to how it would look on my wall. So I jumped onto the UC app to see if they offer any wallpaper feature, and they do. The wallpaper collection that they offer, I was blown away by it, by the quality, by the number of options. I mean, of course, मैंने app पे देखा and then फिर मैंने घर बुलाया consult के लिए. One of the things I love about UC. To be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but then I found the wallpaper that directly spoke to me and I was like, this is me and I have to add it in my home. And it's also so affordable and it completely fit my budget, so all in all, a total win-win. The wallpaper makeover would only take about 2 hours. I thought it was some prank. यार 2 घंटे में तो हम मतलब गुड़गांव पहुंचते. So I was like, yes, let's give it a shot. Oh wow, I love it. This has really exceeded expectation. I'm super excited to set it up now. I still can't believe I didn't try this sooner. It's like literally the bubble has burst for good. The perception I had all along with respect to wallpapers not adding value, all gone. Feels like I've entered a new place, the worry of how it would turn up on my wall, but it's complementing so much. Just this one wall has amped up my entire home. Now the space feels complete.